The city is encased in ice, its pulse stilled by an unnatural winter. Birds hang suspended in the air, wings outstretched, trapped in the frozen expanse. Every detail is crystallized, a testament to the supernatural winter's grip. Under the spellbinding dance of the northern lights, a glacier palace floats, shimmering with ethereal beauty. Inside, Aurelia Frost, Queen of the Lost North, stands before an ancient mirror, her presence as captivating as the winter's embrace. Aurelia touches the mirror, her touch a whisper against the ancient glass. Aurelia descends in a blizzard spiral, a dance of destruction. Shadow wolves emerge from the storm, feeding off the city's warmth. Aurelia conjures ice blades and frost shields, a ballet of destruction. She wraps entire streets in protective snow domes. Aurelia walks towards the ominously glowing frost crystal in the heart of the city. She absorbs the crystal into herself, her body glowing an ethereal blue. Cracks appear across her skin, like fractured glass as she glows. She explodes into thousands of snowflakes, spreading warmth and life back into the world. Children open their eyes, blinking in the returning light, as movement returns to the frozen streets. Winter is over. A delicate snowflake settles in the girl's hand, a symbol of hope blooming in the heart of winter. The girl looks up, her face illuminated by the returning sun, whispering, "She gave us back the sun." A voice echoes, "Not all winters are cold. Some come to protect." A voiceover resonates with anticipation. They said winter would never end. That hope had frozen. But when the last light dimmed, she returned. Aurelia Frost, not to destroy winter, but to heal it.